Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's me Engr.ashfaq. Today we are going to start another 2D tutorial of AutoCAD. So the figure is shown here. So first of all we will draw from drawing a line of 120. Just go to AutoCAD, draw a line of 120. At one end we have two circles of R30 and that 30. At another end we have a circle of R22. No problem figure, as we have a central line drawn at 60 degree of length 120 meter or inches upward. So first of all draw that line. Go to line, deactivate. Now at that end, draw two circles of 50 and 20. Now at 20 degree draw two circles of R40 and R50. Now as in the center of R22 we have a folder array of small circles with radius 4. So draw that. Select. Now select folder array and select the circle you want cross center and give proper items number. Just select 6. Close the array. Now draw another circle of R26. Now trim extra entities. Offset the center line at a distance of 4. As in the figure, the two edges on both sides are filleted, so give a proper fillet. radius of 6. Now trim extra entities.
Now trim the extra entities. So I have trimmed the extra entities. Now I'm going to fill these two circles with a radius of 40. Select fillet, give a radius of 40. Then select both two circles. Similarly, you can fillet the above two circles with a radius of 60 as shown in the figure. Now our figure has been completed. We are going to draw dimension, select dimension, and give proper dimension to the arm. Penetration tab, you can give proper dimension. If you are going to like my work, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more coming work. Now we have your dimension to our figure. Now we are going to take print out of our figure. Draw a window across your figure. Center the plot. Click on OK to save your document. This is our final figure is shown. Thanks for watching.